type of climate. This China type of climate that extended from 30 degree latitude to 45 degree latitudes. 30 to 45 degree of latitudes. Position, right? It has also the what type of temperature is the temperate monsoon climate is there. Temperate monsoon climate rainfall is there. Suppose that the temperature is this one's latitude mainly in the northern hemisphere. Yes, northeast China. This is not in the both hemispheres. That found in the northeast of the northern hemisphere. Mostly that found in the north. In the you can see in the figure also there is a in the world climate and the map there is given, which is the yellowish, that is of this type of climates. Yeah. So I only describe this one. Yes. And the latitude in the northeast of China and found in the northern hemisphere, and south of Japan, that we found eastern North America, southeastern Brazil, the eastern part of South Africa, and the southeastern part of Australia have this type of climate. China and eastern part of the USA are the chief places of this climate. China ma chahiyo chief, mainly that found in the China, a large area that cover the China. Therefore, it's called the China type of climate. Yes. What's the position there is a climate there is a it's a temperature that varies from 21 degrees Celsius to 27 degrees Celsius in the summer. Yes. And what's the feature of this is summer is hot. Winter is cold. China type climate. Summer is hot, like our Tarai one. Our Tarai today is the 15th of Mangshir. We feel little more, not it's a cold is there. Warm. If we stand in the sunlight, then we feel hot. Does it or not? This is in the our most the summer is hot and the winter is cold. The summer hot wet and the winter is cold dry. But there is a cold and hot, but not very cold. Not very cold. The temperature varies just that the 21 and 27 is what will be the temperature right now? What did they have?
More than 20 degrees Celsius. This is Fahrenheit.
Fahrenheit. More than 20. As a temperature is here, 22-23 होला. And त्यसैले हामी अलिक गर्मी फिल हुन्छ. So there is it's not the very cold. And summer and winter is between that जब 5 degree to 12 degree. उसको समर पनि धेरै हट भएन, विन्टर पनि धेरै चिसो भएन. That is the properties of the what's the China type of climates. Monsoon wind blowing from the sea obstructed by the mountains, and rain is caused in the China type climates. It is the monsoon when it blows, it's obstructed in the mountain, and in the return there is a rainfall is there. Yeah.
The sun caused it.
And rain is caused. Rain is caused here. The annual rain is from the 75 to 125, and the winter wind blows from the land and is dry. It's a winter wind that blows from the land, and so it's a dry and it does not cause rain. Summer मा के हुन्छ? Sea to land गएको हुन्छ, त्यसैले जो rain हुन्छ. तर winter के हुन्छ? Land to sea हुन्छ, त्यसैले गर्दा त्यहाँ के हुन्छ? पानी पर्दैन. That's the reason is there. And there are also the three type of season. There is a summer, rainy, and winter. There is the three seasons. Now here that the season in the China type of summer season, rainy season, rainy season and the winter season. Okay, roughly लेंगे winter season. This is the three seasons there. Is that found in the China type of climates. Vegetations. It depends on the amount of rainfalls. You know very well that any of the vegetation that depend on the climate, depend on the rainfall, depend on that what the land topography, isn't it? That depends. What's the mostly that depend on the temperatures and rainfall of the land. So here that is for where the rainfall is sufficient and the rich vegetations. Where there is a less, then there is a less vegetation. The deciduous forest grows in the areas where the rainfall is sufficient. Herbs, bamboo grows. Animals are the same as in the monsoon climates. They include the cattle. They include cattle, sheep, goats, horse, ponies, etc. And there is also the silkworm. What is there? Silkworm, you understand? Rare there because mulberry grows in plenty. Silkworm, you know, silkworm. तर हामी रेशमी किरा भन्छौँ mulberry त्यहाँ चाहिँ धेरै ग्रो हुन्छ अनि त्यसले गर्दा त्यो किरा चाहिँ त्यहाँ त्यसबाट उसले रेशम निकाल्छ अनि त्यो त्यसबाट धागा that is in the China. Other that is our temperate grassland. Yes,